everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku Charts.com daily analysis for gold for Wednesday, August 21st, 2013. Now the candle that we're analysing here is this second last candle on the chart. That's the one that has finalised trading. The final candle that we're looking at here hasn't finished trading, and it will be quite some time before it finishes trading, but really some significant moves happening here at the moment. But looking at this candle that has finished trading, a change of trend back to the upside. So we had a one candle change of trend to the downside, and now today this current candle has made a higher high and a higher low, just taking out the previous high and changing the trend technically in that first time frame. It is another indecisive spinning top type candle, so a lot of indecision in this market at the moment, and a market that's bound between solid resistance overhead around this 1380 level, and now for the fourth consecutive trading day we've tested either to or just around that level and been rejected from there. So significant resistance just above where the market's trading, but also solid support at the 1350 level at this minor swing low. And if this current candle as it's developing is looks like it's changing the trend back to the downside once again. If we do trade down around the 1350 level, it will be an important area of potential support for this market and will be crucial to hold this market if we are going to see the market trading higher or trading lower. The current candle, however, as I've mentioned, a small black body, so a small shift in net terms to the sellers in terms of net progress away from the buyers, but really not terribly significant. The size of the bodies are quite small, and the shadows here obviously are representing downside price rejection and upside price rejection, so a lot of indecision once again in this market. Neither side has closed with control of this market by closing around the midpoint level, so once again suggesting indecision. In terms of the Fibonacci extension, and we're examining that first time frame uptrend that the market closed in today, and here we've seen strong rejection from the 38.2% level on an indecisive spinning top type candle, suggesting good potential for the change of trend, and that's exactly what we're seeing today. And in terms of the Fibonacci retracement, not a lot to see here, just a one candle retracement, and very strong price rejection from the 78.6 and from above the 61.8% levels in a bearish manner there. An indecisive candle and suggesting strong possibility for a change of trend and being confirmed with today's trading. Now in terms of patterns in this market, and here we still have this small pennant type pattern active. We haven't met the target yet. There still is a possibility that the market could trade higher and meet this target, but with the market at the moment, it is congesting. There is potential for some sort of a pattern to develop at the moment. We don't have any pattern which has developed at the moment, but if this low of this current candle does test down to this bottom barrier here, we may have some sort of a flag type pattern or potential for a flag, so let's be aware of that. If we do see a new higher high and higher low develop after this current candle that is developing, if we do see that, we may have another trough in there, and we could draw an angled line up that way for another pennant type pattern. So let's just be ready for development of that pattern. At the moment, nothing has developed with any great definition, but there is good potential for that to develop, and we will be waiting for a potential breakout. Now with the market trading up above the cloud and this solid bullish breakout here, the most likely direction of the breakout would be to the upside, and I suggest that if we do see a solid bullish close up above this upper barrier, we could see the market trading significantly higher, most likely reaching this this target, and then we would have another further projection based off a breakout. But let's not preempt the market. The pattern hasn't finalized yet. It may not form any of the type of patterns that we know, so let's wait until something does develop. In terms of Ichimoku, still a bullish market in the long-term time frame with the market trading up above the cloud, and also a bullish market in the medium and fast-term time frames with the market trading above the Kijun-sen and the Tenkan-sen. Now, taking off this current candle, it hasn't finished trading yet. If we look at the Kijun-sen, that is still pointing flat, so a good possibility of price action being attracted back towards there, and that's what we're seeing at the moment in this candle that's developing. But looking at the Tenkan-sen, that's pointing up quite sharply and reflecting some solid upside momentum. So it's likely that if we do see a breakout, it's likely to be to the upside. Momentum here in terms of the Chica span is favouring the buyers, trading up above the corresponding price action, so supporting what we're seeing in the all three timeframes with a bullish market. Now the only problem here for the buyers is that we have solid resistance around the 1380 level and then at the 1400 level. If we do see a strong bullish attack above the 1400 level, we could quickly see the market testing to the 1432 level. If we see a sell-off and the market trading through 1350, very solid support down below around the 1329 level, coinciding roughly with the area that the Kijun Centre is trading in. So because the market's trading up above the cloud, we are congesting, more likely that we would see a breakout to the upside, but we can't preempt the market.